Today is lecture number 4 and the topic is foreign policy. So first of all, we will discuss what is foreign policy, the meaning and definition of foreign policy. So foreign policy or foreign relations refers to how a government deals with other countries. The government chooses its foreign affairs policy to protect the interests of the nation and its citizens. So we can say that trade, a word trade. Trade in this context means international trade. If we talk about a foreign policy, it would be an international trade. Okay, and for example, imports, exports, tariffs, exemptions, etc. So these are the some terms that is related to foreign policy. When we talk about foreign policy, so these are interlinked with the foreign policy. So then comes the definition. A foreign policy basically is a set of pre-established strategies designed and implemented systematically to manage a country's relationships with other nations. They are basically written guidelines, structured guidelines that regulate international political dealings at international level. So next comes examples of foreign policy. There are some examples, for example, trade, diplomacy, sanctions. Sanctions means, in Urdu it means peshgi ijazat. Sanction means when a law orders to do something, otherwise you will get the punishment or you have to pay the fine, so that is sanction. Military or defense, intelligence, foreign aid, global environmental policy, these are the example of foreign policy. Trade policy is the way, for example, trade policy, तिजारत की जो पॉलिसी होती है, ट्रेड पॉलिसी इज द वे द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स interacts with other countries to make it easy the flow of commerce and goods and services between countries. So these are the example of foreign policy. Then comes what is the main objective of foreign policy. The main objective of foreign policy is to use diplomacy or talking, meeting and making agreements to solve international problems. When different countries sign an agreement or a treaty or pact, so the main purpose or objective behind that talking, meeting and agreements basically is to solve the international problems of different countries. They try to keep problems from developing into conflicts that require military settlements. So if we talk about the responsibility, the president has always the foremost and primary responsibility for shaping, for molding foreign policy. So next comes the goals of foreign policy. The US House Committee on Foreign Affairs states as some of its jurisdictional goals, for example, export controls including non-proliferation of nuclear technology and nuclear hardware, measures to foster commercial interaction with foreign nations, to safeguard American business abroad. So that's it. I think if we can say that the main goals of foreign policy is security. You have the thing that you have to keep it in your mind regarding goals of foreign policy is security, prosperity and the creation of a better world are the three most prominent goals of foreign policy. We can say that it's an American foreign policy. Basically the foreign policy, why foreign policies are made? These are made for the betterment of different countries at international level, to solve the problems of different countries at international level. So how is foreign policy made? Foreign policy makers basically follow the same 5 steps that a public policy process follows. as we all know that the public policy process, number one, the agenda setting, there are some other like problem or issues rises to prominence on the agenda, then comes formulation, then comes adoption and evaluation. These are the 4 steps that foreign policy or public policy has to make. So the foreign policy makers follow the same 5 steps to make the policy, and you have to write all the 5 steps of public policy in this part. If like for example, if I ask about this question, or I ask about a note of 15 marks regarding foreign policy, then you have to write the whole steps, all the 5 steps there. So the government adopts one policy. How is foreign policy made? As I told you, the 5 steps that a public policy maker public policy process adopts. So the foreign policy makers follow the same steps. So a country's foreign policy, also called foreign relations or foreign affairs policy, consists of self-interest strategies chosen by the state to safeguard its national interests and to achieve the goals within its international relations. That's it. Basically it is saying that when foreign policy, when a policy is made at international level, first it meets the ends of the country foreign domestic policies. For example, Pakistan has signed a treaty, as I told you before, Pakistan has signed a treaty at international level. So it is a domestic policy of Pakistan. And on the other hand, at international level, for example, that treaty it has signed, and that would be beneficial for the future of Pakistan. So that is at international level. So these foreign policy and domestic policy are interrelated, are interlinked there, and in this way the foreign policy would also achieve the goals, and as the domestic policy will also achieve its goals as well and meets the ends of the policy.